TankScan. What do we do with TankScan? We solve inefficiencies, highest costs, and customer service. You can see the image here. When you buy a TankScan level monitor, you're really buying it with the software. The monitors are made to communicate to the cloud software, so it's an all-together solution. And like I said, it integrates with other business systems, enterprise systems through a standard RESTful API. And so it's a quick integration for most cloud-to-cloud software integrations. And the result is that you save time, you save money, and you run a more efficient process as you're managing chemicals or fluids out and about in your customer base. Touching on the different tank sensing technologies, we support not just our own monitors that we design and build here in the US, but we do also partner with other folks like Digi and other sensor manufacturers to bring in a full host of capability into the sensing platform. And these range from non-contact radar sensing to ultrasonic to dial gauge readers for propane or industrial gases, as well as submersible pressures. And TankScan has a wide variety of customers. A lot of them are in chemical, but a whole history of TankScan is in fuel, lubricant, water, ag applications, etc. And so we can touch on the many different tanks, sizes of tanks, and part of what we'll navigate a little bit here today is that different sensing technologies and different price points of these products allow us to go equally well on small chemical tanks. Can be 15-gallon tanks, 50-gallon tanks, 250-gallon totes, etc., on up to million-gallon or 50-foot tall tanks.